Yellow. Spill tea, spill tea.
Shut up. I want it to be known that I am pissed. Go ahead, Pete. You're so vain. Oh, and then I was gonna change it. I was gonna be like, you're in Spain. and you could be insane. And in pain. You're in. No. It's cliche.
You're
Dude, we could literally do this.
I'm
You're
not.
cliche.
Oh,
You're not.
I didn't want to do it.
Too bad.
But I didn't want to.
Suck it.
I tricked you last
Oh
time.
my. Ew. Bro. Why you gotta go and do that?
Max is a pregnant mother and a dad.
What?
I don't know.
Why
Dude,
would you mention
Who's Peggy?
Oh, we have to kill him now because his innocence is gone.
No, he didn't say it right. He said it.
Innocence was here.
I'm here. I'm
We
open.
need to change all our names. I want to be Santa Claus. And every time we start, I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna do the
No.
nude dude.
No.
The nude dude.
Well, if we can freaking mod these games.
The poo is Steve.
I want to make you skin color with just a blurred thing around you.
Can I be bouncing boy? Can I be bouncing boy? I'm always gonna jump.
I'm gonna do sewage destruction blow up on the knife. Oh, run away, it's gonna blow up.
Oh, I thought you were a zombie.
I'm disappointed.
You said, oh, what's that?
Target fire. Permission to fire. Whoa. I think we're fair for all you to know. Next.
Okay, I'll give you back.
Get in the bed. Do you ever just feel like you don't want to shoot her face 8 times?
Never, actually.
He's never. Have you ever felt
She
like?
looks so peaceful.
Have you
now,
ever?
though. She's in a bad spot.
Hey, I'm gonna do it again.
My name is Diedrich.
Diedrich!
My life is GTA in real life. Real life. Real life. You like dropping bars.
Shut him up.
Shooting all of these zombies.
Oh, you could be like, you could be like Post Malone reincarnated.
All of these zombies.
I'm so tempted to just hold this grenade to the
Shit. Okay, that's a little long, but sure.
Dude, look, I got a grenade. I got a grenade.
Zombies. I'm so tempted to hold this grenade cook button so long.
Shut up.
Shut up!
Shooting all of these
Zombies.
Max, get to the boss.
So
Why does he have an RPG? You're gonna blow somebody up. Probably not even.
Oh, shoot, dude, no, I can't see. Freaking no. Shoot, where the freak am I? I love the way you said that. The texture and the bad word that you just said. It was like, yeah.
Max, shut up. Just kill the kid. Something's I heard like a
Oh, shoot. You need to start doing this.
Gayender.
He sounds like a cried.
Dude, Max just... He turned it into soup.
I was like, oh no, it's
Sorry, I'm out of
and then
ammo.
there was just a black cloud.
I was like, I got this. And he just summoned. And he was like, boom!
It was like it's gonna kill me.
I
didn't
need to-
really move either. I was like, this is gonna be...
Neither of us did. You drink nitro. You drink nitro. You drink
You want to think you can sing, rap, and do...
And
Or
then,
if in Max game, just think you can talk. Drink nitro.
The audacity to think you can speak. Drink nitro.
Oh my gosh, that. I just realized what you were talking about. The hot blonde chick that fell through the window.
what? Is there something I don't know about?
Saving her for you, mate.
Saving up for Bob. Yeah, Max. Drop a beat. Boom.
All I have is like a freaking missile launcher.
This is some of the OG courses we have, dude, and it's just static. And like every now and then, like the what the fuck?
I shot a grenade launcher. And
Did you just pretend
dude, I can't.
that was the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Max jumped out of a window.
Bro, it wasn't worth it. He accidentally dropped the RPG.
No, it wasn't an
He
accident.
plays in 5 different angles.
Oh, some like banger beat.
You know what I need? I need a
I'm sorry, man. You sounded like you were getting warmed up.
Dude, that was about to be a freaking thrasher. You know what comes next?
Oh yeah. Okay, okay.
A note from our sponsor.
Thank you.
The active ingredient is carbonated water. And after that, it just says hi. Drink up.
Get yours today.
Are you thirsty,
Spicy.
partner?
Are you thirsty, partner? Howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner. You laughed too hard. Don't.
Oh! Oh shit, that was Max's.
It's down there.
Oh shit. Hey guys, look at the southwest corners. There's about to be a flying eagle. Look.
There's no eagles in Kentucky.
You know what? No.
Guess who has a grenade launcher?
Jesus. Hey, look, it's getting flipped. Alright, everybody inside.
Everybody in the barn?
I didn't
M to
because
the
I
B,
bought the
M to the
guava.
B, M to
Guava.
the B.
Dip. Dip 'em.
Toad man.
So you yelled at him last time because he wouldn't tell you, but this time you yelled at him because he did tell you.
Shut up, I don't need to know every time.
Were you gonna tell me I have to go to the bathroom? Huh? Are you gonna tell me that too? Gosh.
I just realized
I just want everybody to know what the fuck
oh dude, who the heck was somebody wasn't
somebody wasn't watching my window.
No, somebody
I'll
wasn't
get
watching
in
our
because I have
stairs.
speed.
Oh, so now you're better than me.
Yeah, now you're freaking
Well, yes.
you it's time to
This
blow
dude
some
got
stuff
stuck in the
up.
wall.
Looks like he was eating.
You said something else, and then you got stuck.
Shoot it. Pull him back at him.
A sandwich, guys.
Here, Max.
Shoot! Dude, I'm running out of ammo. Shoot!
He doesn't have a reticle anymore.
Hey, now he's dead. Thanks, Pete.
I'm
You suck.
It's because he shot grenades at the wall. I did nothing.
Dude,
I am a married man.
His name was Gerald. I could read it from his teeth.
come on, dude, give me some good.
Drink this blue
Okay.
Now, Max, now run.
Okay.
Drink this blue sheet glass of blue sheet.
Boom.
What are you
Boom.
no,
Boom. 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 Boom.
Boom.
Boom.
stole my sweater. Chase your dreams. Chase your dreams. Chase your virgin You can't say that unless
Don't say that, Max. Don't say
It's Philip.
Wait, you said girl. I don't think I specified.
I hope it is. I will ask.
I'm sure you did.
I think you would say yes. It was utterly and completely disgusting. And I'm disappointed that you said something. After telling me that I'm screwed, Pete. You really.
What?
Oh! No lie. I tell no lies. Let's get. Last week we did.
I'm feeling pretty. I mean,
Productivity was down. The whole. Sweet. Hey, you guys actually listen to me. Pete, I'm getting tired of you, guys. You don't talk to guys like that. What a comeback. Yeah. Mucho grande. Mucho queso. Hey, Mr. Blackwell. I already know, nigga. I'm using 257. You already know who it is? I'm using 257. That's a lot of bullets. That's a lot of rounds per zombie. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a important message from the local bulletin.
Being gay is now illegal in 35 states. But it's highly encouraged in the other 15.
So, yeah. I got a wedgie.
It's 7:30, dude.
Dude, I just put my pajamas on. They're gonna have to wait till the morning.
boom, boom, boom.
Don't do it. I'm not ready.
Oh, Pete, no. Pete, resist
Why are
the
you
urge.
talking like you know so much?
Oh, that was crazy.
I'm about to get fricked, so.
Dr. Pepper.
Bro, you keep that in your personal space. He's got his pants down and...
Let's go.
I'm,
Hey,
That was fast.
I freaking know.
Oh, shit. Staff meeting did it again.
Can I talk like
Shut up. Max, why? Is that a real song? I realized I have that other song on my playlist.
This is like a.
stop me.
This is like a podcast.
You're gonna have to... I'm free. I got cornered and Pete's about to get... Yep, here goes, guys.
Making it out alive. I am doing it. No. No. Go over there. Go over there.
Pete, did he just do it? He did it. He did it. You won. Now you gotta do it. So watch. Let's see how you do it. You got it.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, I got a phone call from somebody, so I guess that's who it is.
No.
Yeah, it is. That's the last person that. So I'm gonna message and say the name.
Dude.
Does that count?
What?
I don't know.
Sure, why not?
This is gonna be funny.
213
It's like, I don't want this to be anyone.
Grandpa?
I'm like making sure.
It's your
Dad?
boss.
Dude, what if it
Your
was
boss
like...
is like, hey Pete, I have a new number.
Wait, dude, what if it was
This
Grandpa?
guy. I don't know who this is, but I'll do it.
Oops, sorry.
You hear me? Okay. Does this count? Badoo.
What did they say?
I don't know. This person called me a long time ago. And
You know
I said,
who I
"Info
am."
knew this." He said, "Rob, duh." I said, "Rob who?" He said, "You know who
When
I am when you eat my edibles." Edibles are weed that's in food.
What if this is
You know
Uncle
who I am?
Rob?
And then they just tried to call me, so I said, "Will you marry me?" So now we're gonna see where this goes. Huh? They're responding. This is
They
great.
already responded.
Oh, that was funny.
Did I put a question mark? Yeah, so that's legit. Wowza.
Just say, can you attach the gif of Patrick saying I love you?
Let me see if I can find it.
Please.
Come
I
on,
don't have
dude.
good enough service.
No.
It's up, Patrick.
Come on, dude.
Oh, gosh.
Oh.
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 Let me see if I can find
Yeah.
SpongeBob.
Max is like, oh,
There it is.
Dude, I love
This is perfect.
it.
I feel bad for whoever this is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's active, so let's see what he responds with.
What do you mean he's active?
Like, he just responded a couple minutes ago.
I was like, you can tell on my phone and I can't.
Gus just reads it.
Yeah, let me see. It's part of being a coder, you know what I'm saying? He's active right now.
He's active.
He's calling you.
Shh, hey, shh, shh. What's up? Who's this?
Rob,
Rob who?
I'm looking for D.
This isn't D.
My bad.
That could not have gone better, my dude.
Looking for D.
He's selling weed, man.
Well, and you're about to marry him. What are the wedding colors gonna be?
Dude, he's gonna tell this story for years. I was calling D, and he just texted me and said he was gonna marry me. I was just trying to sell some weed. And then he sent me a GIF attachment.
He said he bumped me.
This poor guy.
We need to do this more often.
This was a good episode.